इस फिल्म में मैं अजय की वाइफ की रोल प्ले कर रही हूँ। कैरेक्टर का नाम है सोनाली एंड द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अजय एंड हिज वाइफ, द बॉन्डिंग. So he is different at home with his wife and definitely very strict, very disciplined as a cop. How it reflects on his work and his character. That's the story between us.
काफ़ी बड़ी स्टारकास्ट है इस फिल्म की. हाउ नाइस और हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट डू यू थिंक दिस फिल्म इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर योर करियर?
See, I think each and every character, each and every artist has their own, space, own thing to do in the film. And my relationship with my husband, the way it's been shown in the film, that's the heart of the movie. He gets that reflections throughout the film, and that makes my character very important in the film. And definitely it's a great banner, and I play opposite Ajay Devgan. That makes my character definitely important because Akshay, Ajay, Tushadi, they are the three men in the film. And definitely this point of my career, I'm a new artist right now. Getting a banner and working with such a star cast makes a huge difference for me.
So you were never really insecure about your role in spite of it being predominantly a male movie.
No, but lot of movies are made where आप देखेंगे Bollywood industry is ruled by the actors, men. Like modeling industry is ruled by the women. So बहुत सारे ऐसे पिक्चर बनते हैं जहाँ पे हीरो के लिए ही बहुत कुछ होता है, हीरोइंस के लिए खास कुछ नहीं होता है. गाने होते हैं और इमोशनल सीन्स होता है, रोमांटिक सीन्स होता है. एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स रॉन्ग. I don't think वैसे picture भी करना चाहिए. And for me, I wouldn't lie. I would say this is Insan is that kind of a movie where I'm singing songs, I'm romancing my husband, and very emotional, very sensitive scenes between the husband wife, and a very very strong and a nice relationship. So I wouldn't say कि मेरे character का खासियत कुछ है, ये है, वो है, बहुत सारा stories है, family है. No, nothing like that. Just a simple girl.
A simple girl.
A simple girl next door who's playing Ajay's wife.
So the simple girl image, is this a conscious, a
It was Rajkumar ji's decision. I was also shocked because 90% movie offers come to me is mostly glamorous films and glamorous roles. So I was quite shocked. I was pretty shocked. So I asked him that आपने कैसे मुझे इस role के लिए चुना? So he said that good director has to be a good visualizer also. So he could visualize me as a girl next door. So you see me in a churidar kurta, Mangal Sutra, Sindoor, which was pretty good actually. I enjoyed doing this role.
so you think that it will help you break away from the item girl image that you now have?
No, item girl image has gone long back, I think, because Musafir was my first movie as an actor, and this is my second. But definitely, I'm happy that I'm getting a chance right now only to experiment, because I thought Musafir would get me 100 more glamorous movies, and that's the kind of offers I'm getting right now. But Insan would be definitely hatke and different because she placed today's woman. Wife doesn't mean कि आप सिर्फ साड़ी में देखते हैं मुझे. She is today's woman, but her look is very pretty girl next door, very little makeup, very simple, very talkative. So very very different than Musafir. I enjoyed it.
Any interesting experiences during the shoot? Any incident or something?
Every experience was good because Subhash ji was a great director to work with. He gives you a lot of space, a lot of freedom to do your own thing. No stress. Keshu is a very good producer. No complaints. He got us everything, whatever we asked for. I was a little scared that I was working with Ajay Devgan. He gives one take for whether it's a normal scene or action scene. So I had to surrender. I told him I'm a new artist, so you have to cooperate with me, be a little patient. So he rehearsed my scenes with him, and he was extremely nice. He's so down to earth, and he doesn't do time pass, doesn't waste time here and there. He'll do his work and then he's out. but he was extremely nice and extremely supportive. So I got help from my co-star to my director to the technicians everywhere.
So it definitely helped working with someone as experienced as Ajay and
Definitely, definitely. Right now, I'm growing with experience. The first movie was Anil Kapoor, Sanjay Dutt, Sanjay Gupta. This is second film. Good director, very very good co-star. So every movie I'm doing, I'm growing with little experience.
so you think you're growing lucky?
Sorry?
Are you growing luckier?
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
So which other movies will you
Right
do?
now, I'm starting another film in Feb. That is David Dhawan, Vashu Vadnani. That's a comedy. So that movie is also not out and out glamorous role or girl next door. Like a today's girl. It's a funny film. It's a hilarious script. So that's also a big star cast, good star cast. So I'm doing another South movie, and along with that, I'm looking at projects because all the projects I'm getting right now are either solo heroine oriented, women oriented subjects where there is no good cast or a banner, but rather I would work with good directors, even if it's a small role, lead role, good co-stars, because I think from them I can pick up, all the good things. As I said, you grow slowly with experience. So I want to work with good directors. So there are few uh, other scripts which are starting only in March, April. So I don't really mind. 3 महीना ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा. We starting शादी number 1 as it is in Feb. So not bad as of now.
What kind of work are you looking at? Is there anything specific that you would love to do at
Nothing,
this
no,
stage?
nothing special. I would love to do a musical. I would love to do a musical. I would love to do chill. I would love to do action. I would love to experiment and work with different co-stars, different directors. And like Sanjay Gupta makes dark movies, action movies. He shoots his movies really in a stylish manner. This movie is a sensitive movie, sensible script. Dialogues were tough and big chunks. We shot 2-3 scenes in one day, so definitely I would think that my performance is much better in this movie than Musafir.
One last question. Is there any filmmaker that you have not yet worked with or have plans
I've
that you would
just
love to
started.
work with?
I've just started my career. I've just
That you
worked
would love
with.
to work with? One filmmaker that you would love to work with?
There are lots actually.
Name
There
one.
are lots. Um, I love Prakash Jha movies. I think he makes very sensitive, very different kind of films than other commercial, filmmakers. Would love to do a film with him. Would love to work with Ramu again and Yash Chopra. There are so many. Would love to work with Sanjay Gupta again because it's become like a family. I've started my career with him, so would love to do many films with Sanjay Gupta again.
That's an interesting revelation. You'd like to do something offbeat with Prakash Jha.
Yeah, I love his films. I loved all his movies.
Thanks a lot,
Thank
Kunal.
you.